I lived an okay life. It wasn't the best. I have many regrets.
Hey friends, welcome to the Italy vlogs. On day 2 of the trip, we got a train from Milan to one of my dream destinations, Lake Como. Even though the weather was not the best,
Okay, umbrellas up, but we're gonna keep moving.
it was still beautiful, and Menaggio has a special place in my heart. So come see a little of what we experienced. This is Lake Como.
Okay, I think it stopped. So let's go. Oh no, I'm lying. I can see some shadows. Anyway, we're heading out. Thank you. Bye. We made it to Como, baby.
Yeah, where are you going, baby?
I was just trying to get you in the shot. Sis, did we just come back up?
No, we was in the middle.
Oh, okay. Okay, so we got off here at platform 2 and we've walked down and then we've come out and then this is the exit.
Reach there. We're getting there at 1.
Yeah, basically. Alright, y'all, so if you guys ever want to come to Lake Como and you come at Giovanni, how do you say the station? I don't know. Well, if you come at this station and you're trying to get to Bellagio, because there was another Lake Como destination in it. I don't know, but if you do end up at these stations, just know that you might have to catch a bus, and the bus is like an hour plus. And I should have like actually looked at it properly on Google Maps. Like I looked at it, but I didn't look at it properly to realize the distance. So just keep that in mind about your time and planning your day trip, that you do need quite some time to be out here, because transferring and stuff is something. Yeah, we're gonna try and find out how to jump on the bus now. Let me not get run over. We are on the C10 to Menaggio. That's where we're going. Damn, this is close, sis. Oh God, Jesus, am I gonna make it to Menaggio?
Rails. In Laos, there's no rails.
Yeah, look how close, look how close to the road we are, yo. Oh my God, oh my God. Bury me in Lake Como.
We're going up this way.
Oh fucking this. If this vlog makes it out, I lived an okay life. It wasn't the best. I have many regrets. So we're going up to Menaggio, and this bus, I'm just, you know, saying my last confessions and stuff like that, because the view is amazing, but the road is, it's not it. I'm very scared, if I'm honest. I'm very, very. Finally made it to Menaggio. That bus ride, bumpy, but amazing, like for views. Because you go down, you go up, you get to see all the different perspectives, all the sides that Como has to offer. We by the lake, Lake Como. Nope. Yes, yes, yes. Found steps. What? Home girl, we made it. Thank you for life. I'm gonna call my mom now. I'm gonna call my mom. Let's see if my mom picks up. Where can I put my camera so it don't fly off? Alright, I'm gonna walk down the steps. It's a bit steep. Be careful, y'all. Okay. Okay, I made it. just me taking a stroll on the pebbles. Let me not fall and break my expensive camera. Wind. Yeah. Let's touch the water. Backwards. Sunlight, is that you coming to play?
Oh, perfect. So this is a video.
It's a video first. Thank you. And then
Of course.
I won't take up much of your time.
No, I love it. I live for it.
The stairs over there, they're not as steep. Hello, wife. I'm joking, ill. It's the clouds that got to me for a second.
I love the clouds.
What's the light in there? It's alright from like here, but obviously there's no mountain view.
Sorry, I caught
Look,
in a moment.
the clouds have gotten to us. We need men.
You was a cloud, mine was a plant.
We need men in here.
Just romantic art.
We need men in here, please. We are in one of the towns in Menaggio. It's really small and cute. I love it. This whole walk with all the like trees and stuff. Holiday vibes. Lovely. Love that. And we just walked past this lavender place. With my hands. That lavender place smells so good. Smells so yummy. Okay, umbrellas up, but we're gonna keep moving despite the rain. We still out here. Moving about, floating. Ooh, wow. Can't get enough of it, honestly. I'm just chilling. Okay, it's raining a bit. Ah, camera. When you want to take a photo. Diana, say hi. Smile with.
Do you want to ask them for consent first?
I'm so sad. We wanted to take a ferry back to Como, but the one that's leaving now is to Verona, which we do want to go to, but we just don't have time. But yeah, and then the next one to Como isn't until 4:54, and yeah, we're just gonna miss our train if we wait. The slow ferry is 2.5. Oh, there's a fly on me. The slow ferry is 2.5 hours, and the fast ferry is 1 hour, and it's 14 euros, something like that. But yeah, look at the ferry. So we're at the bus station. We are leaving Menaggio and heading back to Como now. You can buy your tickets from there and you can wait for the bus here. Hopefully, we'll find out. We're in Como by the bus and train stations. but just walking around that area. It's obviously a lot more busier than Menaggio, but it's still really nice and pretty. Wow, it's very windy. I would totally sit here, but my face is getting wet. Wind blowing the shade. Look at her girl. Oh, the girl! Slay! I know I keep saying this, but I can't get over this view. I could just stare at this like all day, every day. And you know, I have been staring at it all day and I'm not sick of it. Not sick of this lake at all. Found McDonald's. It's 7 o'clock, the bell is ringing. Babe, I'm filming. You're not. The bell is ringing. It's 7 o'clock, so we're gonna head back and catch our train. So yeah, this area is really nice. It's still cute, but it's definitely a lot more busier. There's so many more shops and restaurants and even souvenir places out here. So if you do want to get stuff, this is the place. I think a little bit more than Menaggio for sure, because there's so many varieties. Back in Milano Centrale, and we're gonna try find the ramen shop now and get some food finally. While we were walking down Milano Centrale, we actually witnessed a crime crossing the street. We felt like it was not taken seriously because it was considered petty theft. However, it also involved mild assault, and the person it happened to was a woman, and it really shook us up. We spent the next couple of hours looking for a police station to file a report. Several police stations were closed, and the one we finally found that was open had a wait time of 2 hours. It was past 10:30 p.m. already, so I decided to call it a night, get food at the ramen shop, and come back the next morning, which we did. I felt like it would be false of me to not include this in the vlog. As much as I wish we had a perfect day, what we experienced that night was terrible in Milano Centrale. I will go into more detail in the last vlog, but for now, be careful around Milano Centrale. Thank you. Woo. We came to the ramen shop and got rice. This put me in a good mood. Enjoy. Basically just fried chicken and rice.
But I know you'll find it if you dig down deep. Because you are my sunflower. Your petals feel like lace. You are
Finished my plate. Good stuff. We just ate at the ramen shop, but we had rice. So I'm thinking I'm going to come back and have some ramen, the ramen I originally wanted, which was the vegan ramen. But yeah, today I was just feeling like having rice. So we might